WordPress powers over 40% of the web, making it a lucrative target for hackers. This video explores security weaknesses in plugins and ways to stay protected. Plugins, often created by small teams, lead to limited testing, and outdated plugins expose users to attacks. Notable vulnerabilities include slider revolution in 2014, WP GDPR compliance in 2018, and WooCommerce in 2021. Vulnerabilities can result in financial losses, data breaches, reputational damage, and high recovery costs for businesses. Protect your site by keeping updates regular, using trusted plugins, and implementing strong passwords and 2FA. By practicing good security hygiene and remaining vigilant, website owners can mitigate vulnerabilities and safeguard their assets.